Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 4, being safe. Now children, safety is very much important for our life, right? We should always be safe and we should always be careful. Now we are going to start with the warm up. Now look at the picture. Okay, now can you see the picture? Okay, so the picture below tell a story. Observe the pictures carefully and answer the questions which follow. What does the story teach us? What will you do in a similar situation? So children, we should never play with fire, okay? And if sometimes some things happen, immediately we should call an adult or any person who is there at our home, okay? Now safety at home. So in this lesson we are going to learn about safety at home, safety outside home, school, road and playground. Safety means staying away from harm or danger. Now what is the meaning of safety? Safety means staying away from harm or danger. We must follow safety rules to be safe. Now children, you should always follow safety rules, okay, to be safe. Now tick the things that are safe to do and cross the things that are not safe to do. Now playing with fire, it is safe? No. Playing with knife, it is safe? No. Now the boy is getting a jar, okay, but he is using the stool, which is safe. So we are going to put a tick. Now playing with wires, okay, or switches or plugs, is it safe? No. So we are going to put a cross. Now eating an apple, so is it safe? Yes. So put a tick. Now studying together, is it safe? Yes. Here are a few rules we must follow to be safe at home. So now children, what rules we should follow, okay, for safety at home? So the first one is do not play with switches and plugs. Children, you should never play with switches and plugs. Second, do not play with matchsticks or fire. You should not play with matchstick or fire. Do not play with knives, blades or other sharp or pointed things. Now children, see this girl is playing with knife. So we should never play with the sharp objects like blades, knives or any sharp or pointed thing. Fourth one, do not touch anything hot. Children, even if you are going in the kitchen, you should not touch anything which is hot. In case of an accident, inform an adult. If something happens, okay, accidentally, then you have to call an adult. Fifth one, do not touch switches with wet hands. You can get a shock, okay? So do not touch switches with wet hands, right children? You can get a shock. Now take the correct practice. Using a blade to sharpen a pencil or using the sharpener to sharpen a pencil, so we should use a sharpener. Now little scientist, now what little scientist is telling us? If you get a burn, hold the burn area under the cool running water as a first aid. It will give you some relief, children. Okay, if you get burn, then what you have to do? You have to keep this under the cool running water as a first aid and it will give some relief, right? Now come to the next page. Now safety at school. Here are a few rules we must follow to stay safe at school, right? Even we all are safe in our school. So first one is do not push anyone because it can hurt others. Now children, when you are going to school, right, you should not push anyone. Then what will happen? The other person can get hurt. Now do not run in the corridor. No, no, no. We should not run in the corridor. Now do not bring or use sharp objects like blades, knives, sharp scissors. You should not bring all these objects in the school. Even if you are using the scissor, you should use kids' scissor. Do not put objects into your or in someone else's nose, ears, mouth or eyes. Children, we should not put any object in somebody's nose, eyes, ears or mouth. Okay, so they can get hurt, which is not good. Now, safety on road. We must follow safety rules to stay safe on the road. So now what you should do? You should follow safety rules to stay safe on the road. So now when you are going on the road, right, what you should do? You should follow the safety rules to stay safe on the road. Now which rules you have to follow? Like always follow traffic rules. Okay, cross the road only with elders. Now children, when you are crossing the road, what you have to do? You have to take the help of an elder. Use the footpath to walk. Now see, can you see the footpath? Yes, now you have to use the footpath to walk. Always cross at the zebra crossing. Okay, the black and white is the zebra crossing. Do not run. We should not run, right? Then do not play on the road. Children, we should not play on the road. Now what safety rules you have to follow when you are playing? So while playing, do not play with sharp objects. Now sharp objects like knives, scissors, okay, blades. Do not hurt anyone during the game. So children, when you are playing with your friend, okay, you should never hurt anyone. You should never push anyone. Keep the toys in their proper place after you finish playing. Someone may trip over them and fall. Now children, when you are playing, right, so after playing, what you have to do? You have to keep all your toys in a cupboard, like from where you have took, right? So in this way, what will happen? Nobody will trip and nobody will fall. Do not stand on the swing. Now swing when you are going in the park. So what you have to do? You should not stand on the swing, right? The swing goes in this way. So if you will stand on the swing, you may fall. Do not stand in front of or behind the swing. Even you should not stand in front or behind the swing. Now did you know traffic lights helps to control traffic? The red light says stop. The yellow light says wait. The green light says go. Cross the road only when the walk signal is there. Signal is green. Okay, so when you see such signal, what you have to do? Then you can walk. Now wrap up. Being safe at home. Do not play with switches and fire. Do not play with knives and blades. At school, do not run in corridor. Do not insert objects into your eyes, nose, mouth or ears. Now on roads, follow traffic rules, use the zebra crossing and the footpath. At play, do not play with sharp objects. Do not hurt anyone. Okay, so we should not play with sharp objects. Do not hurt anyone. Now let's start with evaluate. Things you know. A. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. I will not play with switches or wires as I might get a shock. I will not play with fire as I might burn myself. Then third, I will not play with knife as I might cut my fingers. Then I will never leave toys on the floor as I might fall. Okay, now come to the next page. B. Fill in the missing letters to know the answer. Instead of using a knife to sharpen my pencil, I should use a pencil sharpener. So PENCIL SHARPENER, sharpener. Second, instead of playing with matches, I should play with toys. TOYS, toys. Third, instead of playing on the staircase, I can play in the park. PARK, park. Fourth, while walking on the road, I should follow traffic rules. Okay. So TRAFFIC, traffic, RULES, rules. Now see, answer in one or two words. Now where should we cross the road? Okay. Zebra crossing. Second, which area of the road should we use to walk? So we should use footpath. FOOTPATH. Okay. Now answer in one sentence. I am going to give in your notebook. Now E, get busy. It is not safe to play in some places. Tick the places where it is safe to play. Cross the places where it is not safe to play. So now playing in the open ground, it is safe. Now playing in the kitchen, it is not safe. So we are going to put a cross. Then playing in the park, yes, it is safe. Then playing on the road, it is safe. No. Okay children, so we are done with our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children.